In this video, I will show you how to create a search box in Excel. Here are the 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create a basic search box from the raw data. Step 2. Search for approximate matches. Step 3. Format and make the search box more appealing. Start with raw data for students' academic information, from student ID to year completed. Give it a nice visual format. Create a table from the data and name data. Now in a new worksheet, name it Search. Copy the title headers and paste. Select cell as an input cell for the student's name and color it gray for distinction. This cell is to be used for data search. Now, use the filter function to filter rows based on the name entered in cell. If no match is found, the cell will display as No Match Found. Test the result by entering a name, for instance, John. The rows for John will be displayed, showing his academic data. This method works for exact name matches. However, if JOH is entered, the display cannot find the match value. In this instance, we will use the approximate match. Step 2. Search for approximate matches. To search for approximate match, we'll remove this array, use the isNumber and search function. Modify the previous formula to search for names that approximately match the input in the search cell. This allows you to find results even if you don't enter the full name, making the search more convenient and easier. Step 3. Format and make the search box more appealing. Add extra rows above and add the search box name and go to icon image and look for the magnifying glass. Go to the table and highlight, select conditional format and create new rules. We want to create the surrounding border to fill up to the table while using the non-blank lines format. This will make the pop-up search easier to read. Please follow the process. Let's make the background around the border gray and we will remove the grid line. And there you have it. 3 simple steps to create a search box in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Check out my channel for more great content.